Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Makita Leaf Blower is probably one of the most powerful and versatile cordless leaf blowers on the market, offering a perfect blend of performance, ergonomics, and battery life. In this video, we will deep dive into its features, performance in various conditions, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right leaf blower for your needs. Number 5. Makita XBU03Z Blower. This is the Makita XBU03Z 18V LXT lithium-ion brushless cordless blower. It's powerful and efficient, perfect for any cleanup job. It boasts a Makita-built BL brushless motor, delivering impressive airflow. You'll get up to 459 CFM and 116 miles per hour of blowing power. Effortlessly manage power and runtime with the cruise control lever and variable speed trigger. It gives you total control over the job. The speed lock function enables convenient continuous operation, reducing fatigue during extended use. Its inline fan design provides better balance and improved ergonomics. It's designed for comfort and ease of use. At only 6.5 pounds with a battery, it's lightweight and easy to handle. Get the job done without the strain. What we like. It's lightweight and easy to handle, perfect for quick cleanups. The powerful motor tackles tough jobs efficiently. If you need a balance of power and ease of use, this is the one for you. What people say. This product truly blew me away. I cannot believe how powerful and how incredibly light this blower is. Last I checked, this was actually rated as the most powerful electric battery-powered blower on the market, and it has certainly impressed the heck out of me. For the small size, it is powerful enough to do the job. It sucks battery but not as much as I thought it would. It's lightweight, easy to use, and the battery lasts around 20 minutes before recharging. Most important to me, it's a Makita product and they have built-in quality. Number 4. Makita XBU02PT1 Blower Kit. This is the Makita XBU02PT1, a powerful and efficient blower kit. It's designed for professionals and serious DIYers who demand the best. Get up to 28 minutes of continuous runtime at mid-speed with its two 18V LXT 5.0 Ah batteries. That's enough power to tackle even the toughest jobs. It boasts a brushless motor that delivers impressive air velocity of up to 120 miles per hour and 473 CFM of air volume. You'll clear debris quickly and efficiently. It operates at a sound pressure level of just 61 dBA, making it quieter than many gas-powered blowers. Work comfortably without disturbing others. It's completely emission-free and requires virtually no maintenance. Say goodbye to gas and oil hassles. The 6-stage air velocity volume selection dial and variable speed control trigger give you total command over its power. Adjust it to match any task. What we like. This one boasts an impressive runtime, ideal for larger areas. The high CFM ensures thorough cleaning. If you need a blower that can handle extensive yard work without frequent battery changes, consider this model. What people say. Powerful blower with a wide range of air velocity settings, 1 to 6. The emitted air seems to be less turbulent, so the air plume extends further and I can blow the leaves about twice as far. The two batteries last long enough to do a good job of my back and front yard. The extra two will come in handy in the spring and autumn with bigger cleaning jobs. Number 3. Makita XBU02PT Blower Kit. This is the Makita XBU02PT, a powerful and efficient blower. It's perfect for clearing leaves and debris quickly and easily. It offers an impressive runtime of up to 28 minutes at mid-speed using two 18V LXT 5.0 Ah batteries. That's enough power to tackle even the biggest jobs. This blower delivers a remarkable 120 miles per hour air velocity and 473 CFM of air volume. You'll be amazed at how quickly it clears away debris. It boasts a sound pressure rating of just 61 dBA, making it one of the quietest blowers on the market. You can use it without disturbing your neighbors. It's completely emission-free and requires virtually no maintenance. Say goodbye to gas and oil hassles. It features a 6-stage air velocity volume selection dial and a variable speed control trigger, giving you total command over the airflow. What we like. It offers a long runtime, perfect for larger areas. The high CFM ensures thorough cleaning. If you need a blower that can handle extensive yard work without frequent battery changes, this model is a great choice. What people say. The wind power volume and speed are awesome and very powerful. This is so much more powerful than our tiny little leaf blower, very powerful, and while not quiet, please wear ear protection when using, quiet enough for bystanders. Blower is relatively light and is comfortable to maneuver. The tube it comes with has variable lengths and locks into place with no wobble or difficulty. Number 2. Makita XBU05Z Blower. This is the Makita XBU05Z 18V LXT lithium-ion cordless blower. It's powerful and efficient, perfect for any cleanup job. It features a Makita-built variable 3-speed motor. This produces a maximum air velocity of 219 miles per hour for superior cleaning power. With a 6.0 Ah 18V LXT battery, you get up to 17 minutes of continuous high-speed operation. That's enough time to tackle most jobs. It's designed to be compact and ergonomic at only 20 to 38 inches long. Plus, it weighs only 4.1 pounds with a battery, reducing user fatigue. The rubberized soft grip handle provides increased comfort and control, making it easy to use for extended periods. Experience the power and convenience of the Makita XBU05Z. Order yours today. What we like. This model is incredibly lightweight and compact, making it easy to maneuver. The high speed is perfect for removing stubborn debris. If you value maneuverability and speed above all else, this is the best option. What people say. This small mini blower is exactly what I was looking for, something compact yet has the power to move copious quantities of air. It's light, easy to swing around, and packs a serious punch. Compact and easy to grab for quick jobs yet surprisingly powerful. Number 1. Makita XBU03SM1 Blower Kit. This is the Makita XBU03SM1 18V LXT lithium-ion brushless cordless blower kit. It's powerful and efficient, perfect for any cleanup job. It features a Makita-built BL brushless motor, delivering impressive airflow of up to 459 CFM and a speed of 116 miles per hour. You'll get the job done quickly and easily. The cruise control lever and variable speed trigger give you precise power and runtime management. Control your cleaning with ease. The speed lock function provides convenient continuous operation, reducing fatigue during longer tasks. It's designed for your comfort. Its inline fan design provides better balance and improved ergonomics. This makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. Weighing only 6.5 pounds with the battery, it's lightweight and compact for easy handling and maneuverability. You'll appreciate its portability. What we like. It's powerful enough for tough jobs, yet remains ergonomic for comfortable use. The cruise control feature adds convenience. If you prioritize comfort and power, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It was more expensive than a lot of other battery-powered blowers, but a lighter blower was essential for me that also had some power. Well, it is light enough. I am impressed with the power. It definitely fits my needs for an average suburban front and backyard. I have even used it to blow leaves to the back of the yard across the grass, with no problem. The power, force of air, is very impressive and easily blows out the dead leaves and debris that are packed fairly tight under the evergreen trees. It's very light, easy to hold, very comfortable in use, and its smaller length is perfect for my needs. Easily assembled and definitely a good by nice and strong wind to push even wet leaves. This does exactly what I need, lots of power for fast clearing of leaves off large driveway, clearing out around shrubs, etc. Very lightweight even with battery attached. Variable speed a plus on mulched garden areas. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.